Welcome to Almaty region. Let's discover the greatness of nature together.
Man down, where you from, nigga? Fuck who you know, where you from, my nigga?
Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face.
Чарівський каньйон!
Hit me like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest night. You're the only one that I want. Think I'm addicted to your light. I swore I'd never fall again, but this don't even feel like falling. Gravity can't begin to pull me back to the ground again. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. The risk that I'm taking, I'm never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your
Где мы? Эй! Где мы находимся?
На кольца!
На кольца! Boyunda seni özledim. Her boyumda seni özledim. If you are lazy and you don't want to walk, and you can just take taxi in the mountains, but while other people are walking, climbing up to the mountains. О, бесстрашные пацаны! Как тут проходит? Вау, вау, вау!
Vardım amalım çok ağlar.